Unit 734, or Grand Cog as his grandchildren call him, an ancient, slightly creaky artificial intelligence, perhaps with growing optical senses that dim and brighten at his thoughts. A comfortable, dimly lit workshop or study, filled with old books, polished brass instruments, and perhaps a faint smell of oil and dust. Unit 734 shifts in his chair. A faint whirling sound accompanies his movement. His optical sensors focus softly on the grandchild. "Come closer, little spark. You asked me about magic, didn't you? A curious question, and one even the smartest minds at the Grand University still haven't fully answered, despite what their neatly bound theories might tell you. They can measure its animations, chart its flows, even categorize its effects. But what is it truly? That remains the grand mystery. It's a bit like those old stories of X-rays. You see, long ago, before the ages of gears truly took over, there was a woman named Madame Curie. Brilliant, they say. She tinkered, she experimented, she observed. And in her time, she discovered various things like radium. We can all measure the effects of a stone filled with nuclear energy. It will destroy all that around it. But what is it? How does that rock have such power? We do not know, but we can measure it. X-rays have the power to see through your very bones, to the cracks and breaks within, but it cannot heal. And as powerful as it is, it cannot even penetrate lead. That is a lot like magic. Powerful, usable, helpful, but with its limitations and unknowable and misunderstood. Nobody knows what it is, but we certainly know it exists.